Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are staying healthy, happy, and safe and washing those hands. Alright, so let's go on to line of best fit part 2. So last time we talked about finding the line of best fit using two specifically chosen points that directly correlated with a close line of best fit. So we chose points 150 and 591 from the data set given, and we found the slope between those points. Then we used that slope and one of the points to solve for the y-intercept in order to write the equation of the line. It's a lot of work. Well, luckily, we can actually plug in the data sets for L1 and L2 on our calculators, and it will help us find the line of best fit. It will actually help us solve for a slope and the y-intercept. In order to do this, you have to have access to a calculator. You all do have access to an online calculator. If you go on It's Learning, I've posted a link and a video on how to access it. Alright, so let's plug these data points into the calculator. So, if your calculator still has a bunch of data in there, you can go through and clear it out. So clear your L1, and you can actually clear your L2 as well. So let's look at L1. Remember, L1 was our time studying in hours. This is your independent variable. So we're going to put in the values of 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5. These all correlate with our x values. Now let's talk about our y values. So go over, press the right arrow key to get into the L2 column. We're going to put our y variables in here. So we've got 50, 60, 65, 74, 78, 89, 91, and 85. Once we've entered in that information, we're going to go to second data in order to calculate some stats here. Now, we have used two variables, x and y, so we're going to do some two variable statistics. So press enter on second, and our x data should be L1, y data should be L2. So let's calculate. So after we calculate, we're going to look for A and B. So scroll through here, it gives us, remember, it still gives us the mean of our x's and a couple of other useful data points. What we're really looking for are columns D and E. They tell us our A value, which relates to our slope, and the B value, which is actually our y-intercept. So using this, we see that our A value is 9.87, and our B value was 40.68. Meaning that when we write this as a linear equation, we have y equals 9.87 x plus 40.68. So this is our actual line of best fit. Look at it, compare it to the line of best fit that we calculated yesterday. It's pretty close, but it's not quite there. So we had 10.25 as our slope. Actual slope is 9.87, and we had 39.75 as our y-intercept, where the real y-intercept was 40.68. Alright guys, you try a problem.